Tired of staring at a blinding white screen while you're coding? Let's dive right into changing Adobe Dreamweaver to dark mode in just a few simple steps. First, locate the Edit menu at the top of your Dreamweaver window. Click on Edit, and a drop-down menu will appear from this menu. Select Preferences. This will open the Preferences dialog box. In the Preferences dialog box, look for the category list on the left side. Click on Interface. This will display the interface settings. Now find the UI theme section. You should see a drop-down menu labeled UI theme. This is where you choose your preferred color scheme. Click on the drop-down menu, and you'll see several options, typically including lightest, light, dark, and darkest. Select either dark or darkest to switch Dreamweaver to dark mode. Dark provides a moderate contrast, while darkest offers the highest contrast and is often preferred for reducing eye strain. Once you've chosen your desired theme, click the Apply button at the bottom right of the Preferences dialog box. Then click OK to close the Preferences dialog box. And that's it. Dreamweaver should now be in dark mode, providing a more comfortable viewing experience, reducing eye strain, and giving your coding interface a sleek, modern look. Happy coding!